lapha ngimi nama representative lapha abayizokuthiwa ama EPWs abakwe Department of Transport. Uzokhumbula ukuthi kune project eyasungulwa ubaba uNdebele MEC wakwa Transport kwaZulu Natal. Wakwazi ukuthi ubaba uNdebele enze into enhle kakhulu ukuthi kube khona abantu basemakhaya nasemgwaqeni amagravel eningi kodwa amagravel ngesikhathi kodwa wakwazi ukwenza ukuthi abantu bathole ukuxosha ikade eziko nqophana amancane especially kwaqashwa kakhulu imindeni eyaziwayo ukuthi ihlwempu futhi akunamuntu osebenzayo kuleyo mizi leyo iqashwe ke leyo mndeni mayiqashwa lo mndeni wafika kubaba ucele yakhula iproject kwasethiwa hayi emveni kwalokho labo bantu kubalekile ukuthi bagcine labo bantu beqasheka on a permanent basis. Mabeqasheka on a permanent basis, when you are in government system, you need to have a person number. And then mabe ne person number, base kuthiwa hayi nina sebezoba ama overseer laba bantu sebedinga manje ukuthi babe nezimoto lapho abagijima khona ebantwini abasuke bese ngaphansi eproject kaSibambele. Kwathathwa kabantu ke abaningi kakhulu more than 150 people. Labo bantu bathengiswa imoto bengaqualify, abanye bacela ihlobo bayithenga imoto. And then basebenza labo bantu. Mabesebenza 2 years after that project yavala.
1 year.
1 year.
Yes, 1 year.
1 year. Mayisebenza 1 year lapha iproject may shut down iproject. Emveni kwalokho bonke ba experience ama challenges, financial challenges, and then emveni kwalokho ba retrench abanye abantu kwafakwa abanye abantu ezikhaleni zabo, abanye bagula baba ne stress bashonayo, abanye bazama imizamo empilo emafethu ngoba even ngisho abantu bebizwa interview some of them abakwazi ukuqasheka ngenxa yokuthi i-person number is active. So that is the highest mode of corruption and relentless into government. And then where's labo bantu ithikithi abaqashwe ngalo mfowethu ithikithi lokuthi baqhamuke emndenini ehlwempu. You imagine when you abuse umuntu oqhamuka vele emndenini ohlwempu, leyo nto le ikutshenani ngokuthi ngokwesystem isho ukuthi ngempela sinohulumeni onganakekeli at all.
Sibiza nje Department of Transport kuphela noma ungaya kamasipala usiphethe NQF level 2 kwi-civil awuvumi uthi nje Department of Transport kuphela. Lesitifiketi asikusizi kwenye ndawo asiveli futhi kwasitha lesi certificate.
Yabona umama abadala bakugile manje, yabona umama abadala la
25
yabona
ngina bibile manje
yabona una ngake baba
umncane kabi ngangiyouth ngasesikhathi sa 2 years safarishile saphuma emakhaya
buka
impendulo yabo manje isini majuma
manake nanso ke into ekhona ngafika ke mina bang approach abalwa nami bang bulldozer njoba namanje ngibizwa ko Northwest na kuMpumalanga emayini ebakhala ngaza abantu, and I'm very surprised one of the mines that have been called to attend imayini yabanye abantu esibahlonipha kakhulu esicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe yokuhamba kahle kanti ayihambe kahle. Imayini zoMotsepo, imayini zoMayisoul, yabona or my soul mine, call it my soul mine. There are challenges of illegal immigrants, and there are challenges of ill treatment of employees, and I have to attend those issues. Into balekile ke la mfethu into engimangudla la emafemini ngiyibuka ngiyathola ukuthi umphakathi ukuthi uhlukumezeke ngendlela ejulile. Laba ke bahlukunyezwe uhulumeni uqobo. Then I've decided to attend it to government, and then ngamfonela uDuma, mina ngangimina bona uDuma wathi Maritzburg ucela ukuthumela ubaba uShezi o-HOM ofisini lakhe. U-HOM wasuka lapho wayesethi cha ucela sihlangane ofisini lakhe, sahamba saya lapha ofisini lakhe 8th floor, 10th floor, esafika sahlangana naye kwakuthi uyakuzwa konke kodwa uyakuthembisa konke. Everything is on record. Emveni kwalokho and then wayese enze research wathi umama mbani umama
unokubonga Nene owathi waqala fonela ubaba uSithebe mangabe ngaphosisi wabuza ukuthi unezikhala engaki njengamanje kuma ePWP wathi unezikhala wathi ungaba nazo inkhala zabantu abawu20 wathi yes ngaba nazo wayeseyambuza ukuthi ke ezabantu abawu50 wayesethi ngaphandle mangabe zingacreate zingaba khona but ezabantu abawu20 zingaba khona wayesethi ke uzikhona abantu azobaxhumanisa naye bakhulume naye wabe senikeza inamba yami enikeza umunye sisithu nokubonga kaNene then usisi nokubonga kaNene ngamthumelela izinto wayeyicelile ezi database samnikeza samchazela ukuthi nakho naba abantu abakhona babe u50 so ukwenzile konke kodwa egcineni kwakho konke uthi udaba lwethu lude uluhambisile kumama uSithebe okuyena umama ophethe o-director ka-EPWP okusiphethe kakhulu konke ukuthi kunegenge esilandela ngemuva esafunda into efanayo kanye nabo bakwazi ukubathatha within i-interview babaqashile permanent i-interview abaze beyenze labo bantu
baba sign 1 year contract
1 year contract yes kodwa bakwazi ukubathatha bona why thina bengakwazanga ukusithatha i-respond kaDuma ithi umuntu uma umthatha for 2 years usuku uthi akasebenze for 2 years after 2 years uzomshonsaphi yindaba ungamkhuphuleli okungenani umnikeze okunye okungcono yayinjalo i-consent kababa uShezi kodwa namhlanje akusenjalo asakwazi ukumthola emafonini akasarespondi akasenzi lutho usikhomba kunokubonga sikhombe emuva njengamanje asazi fanele senze njani that's why sicela ubaba uMkhulu siyakubona usiza abantu siyacela nathi ukuthi sisizakale sesinemimbi sasibasha sesinemimbi lapha ngathi sibiphile abanye bakhulu bathi ngiyakhala kodwa angikhali nginesmile into sengigugile ngangemncane ngaleso sikhathi ngishiya umntwana wami namhlanje una 20 ngamshiya wayineminyaka ewu4 kodwa namhlanje una 20 ngingasasebenzi kaDepartment from 2019 kuze kube namhlanje
mfowethu uDuma ngakhuluma naye wangixhumanisa nobaba uShezi uShezi namhlanje akakaza respond and then positively mangimfonela nje bebesho nje asitholakala encinweni abasithola libonke yileni ngikhala ngayo yakahulumeni ngamameeting so now my last result is to request the premier to act decisively on this matter because njengamanje bazohamba beqala idalathi bethi bekhankasela ize leze ekuthenini kuna bantu abazobasiza emphakathini uthatha umndeni ohluphekayo uthenjiswe kuthathwa yedwa wabo uyotoha emveni kwalokho bese xhashazo bese faka kwi-puzzle number akasakwazi ukuthi lowo muntu aphinde futhi athola amanye amathuba angamsiza azoba neqiniso ngaphezulu kwaleli uDuma kwenza iphutha elikhulu kakhulu ukuthi angakwazi ukuyilandelela into ejule kangaka ephethwe esenhlizweni yomphakathi ke wakithi KwaZulu-Natal njengoba kumhla ka-22 July 2026 ngithi mina within 7 days from now ngicela uPremier respond to this issue and respond decisively if not he must face the fire and he must face the challenge because ngeke ngikwazi mina ukuhlala ngibukela abantu bakithi KwaZulu-Natal behlupheka bekhala kimi ngisho nabathenjiswa imisebenzi kodwa bayababala kuma statistics ka government ukuthi department ewukuthi amathuba emisebenzi avuleke KwaZulu-Natal amele litho ukuthi nokuthi awukuthi kodwa yonke lento ayilona iqiniso njengamanje if they don't want to face the real challenge that will challenge them until they fuck off so they must solve this matter isenhlizweni emkakhulu lento yodadewethu labafowethu kakhulu ngoba bafika kimi futhi wangithembisa uDuma kodwa akasisisi basizakala and kunalokho futhi bahlupheka abanamizi nalabagane khona abaganeleyo abakwazi ukwenza lutho nosizo lodwa more than 150 people and they were promised ukuthi bazothatha 50 at least and lo lemveli beqhubeka kodwa lokho akasekwenzeka mind you history is more than just a part created by the past it influences the present and it impacts the future the history and the background of all employees that were taken is poor background and the poor background is dangerous because you abuse the helpless people people who have no energy to fight back, who have no option. Now they are here with me today. Prim, can you respond? Duma has failed, and his team has failed. Ushes, HOM has failed, and Bonke, they failed. Can the Premier respond to this matter? Ubabu Ndebele started the biggest project, and that has helped a lot of people. Ubabu Tele has endorsed it. Untuli MEC wa transport endorsed it. Ubabu Hlomoga wa endorse. Umfowethu uKhawunda wa endorse. So, and then now we are here. Why? Ngcono ngiyengihlupheke kunoma ungenze insha yokuthi
Ngikhathala usuku olulodwa.
awu